What can you say about their timpla?
Good.
Approve.
Good. How about you?
Yeah, it's yummy.
How about you? Okay na, approve? Nakapa-approve? Ito mo pa na. Direct. Approve, Rick?
Wow. Hi guys! So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video, ay meron lang kaming konting salo-salo kasi minsan lang kami magkakasama kasi yung mga kapatid ko nag-aaral at nagbo-boarding house na sila. So, my God, tumatanda na talaga ako kasi lumalaki na yung mga kapatid ko. So, anyway,
hey guys! Good evening! So, we're here at Tanis by Casa Ray Francis. So, meron dito silang shakes and barbecues, my noodles.
By the way, this is my first time to eat here at gustong-gusto talaga ng papa ko dito kumain kasi naman talaga sobrang talagang masasarap yung mga pagkain nila, especially the barbecues. Ang sarap ng timpla talaga nila. So worth it naman yung mababayaran mo naman talaga. So here are orders.
11.
Hay nako, kahit saan talaga lulugar yung mga kapatid kong lalaki, sobrang kukulit. So yan, binibiro niya yung kuya niya. Anyway, kuya niya yung nakaputi. Mas matangkad lang yung bunso. So ito yung aming view. Hindi lang siya masyadong visible sa video kasi gabi na, but beachfront siya. And ayan na yung iba naming mga orders. And sobra miss lang talaga na makita na magkakasama kami. So, insert JJ, which is nasa Manila siya. So, we ordered some classic barbecues and salmon head sinigang. Tinola ba yun? And of course, pancit, hindi naman kompleto. And we have to bless the foods before kakain kasi sobrang thank you talaga, Lord. Super thank you for all the blessings, especially na magkakasama kami. And of course, hindi mawawala yung mga desserts. So we ordered mango float and tapioca.
And here, our mango shakes. So,
ano lang yung feeling yun kay ate yung content creator.
lamig kayo ni siya, pero mas lamig ko siya. This is my favorite of the barbecues. The isa and the best.
Balik lagi ako. Mula rin may taas kaya mugutis.
Ano kami yung
Hindi nga naman ba? Hindi nga mugutis naman na kala eh.
This one.
Muli daw. Mula ka, muli. Kuhan, nakalit, laro.
Very
Kaya
good.
1 week.
Good tayo ng sauce.
So now, di na ko matagsa-tagsa o tilaw tanan barbecue, but I think good tanan barbecue kaya lamig na siya timpla. So kani, this is the liempo. Kami dito lang timpla dyan. Next is the pancit. Actually, favorite ko na kong pancit. So, let's taste it.
Murag kahapon daming pansit, panos-panos.
Try the sabaw. This is salmon's head. Isang. Nindot. Lamig kayo. Lamig. So let's taste the other mango shake.
Harapan. Ito? Yung sa dipis na.
Nasi pagka-aslong gamay. But and this is the mango tapioca. Thank you. This is the mango tapioca. So let's try the mango tapioca. So a lot of tapioca. Siya tapioca, sago, and literal na mango. So let's taste it.
Kaya mura magtuling mo siya kapag medical. It's good. Tastes good. I'm not too much fun with mango tapioca, but it's good. How about the mango float? Let's taste it. Tapioca? Proud kayo siya. Did you hear that, Joy? Malagi ako naman sa una. Ang halin kay Nara daw ni Joshua.
Natulong kapre.
Masarap kapre. So this is the presentation is itself. It looks yummy. So let's taste. This is my favorite dessert, but let's try. Let's try. Gamay sa. Too sweet lang. Ako din naman kahit po, pero nung tamis kayo.
That's the end of our video. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to spend time with your family and with your loved ones. Thank you and see you on my next video. Paalam!